Hi everyone, Chad Shoop here, the editor of Automatic Profits Alert. And today I want to talk about one of the biggest concerns that I see from investors when they come to invest in the market, and for some who have been investing for quite some time. And that's they're afraid of losing money. Now I know this because whenever we have a new reader sign up to our services, I ask them one simple question, and that's, what is your biggest concern? And an overwhelming response can be boiled down and to the simple fact that they are afraid of losing money. They're afraid of putting all their hard-earned money into the stock market at the absolute worst time. And it could have been a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. It doesn't matter when we are talking about and how much the stock has rallied since then. But whenever they jump in, their biggest fear is that they're going to lose money. Now, if you've been invested in the market, then you know overcoming that fear is the number one goal for everybody who wants to invest, because the amount of gains that can be made from the market are enormous, and you don't want to miss out on those. Okay, so you want to overcome this fear, and you want to be able to invest in the market confidently and still be able to sleep peacefully at night, knowing that your nest egg is going to be secure for years now. So the number one way to go about this is to understand risk management for every trade. You have to know what your threshold is for your maximum loss. Now, for everyone, this is going to be different. Some people, they're only going to want to lose 10%. You're going to be like my wife and hate seeing your account go down even for one day. And that's okay. You just got to understand that it's going to go down for a few days. It might go up for a few days. If you're looking at it on a daily basis, you're probably going to keep a tighter stop on that. Maybe it is 10%. But, that threshold, it's important because it helps you sleep at night. So if, preserving your capital at a 10% loss, you close out your positions, and then you can reevaluate the stock market, time to jump back in, follow someone else's advice this time, jump back into the market, and then see how you do that time. And then again, go with the same threshold. Keep a tight threshold on it, so that way you're overcoming your fear a little bit of losing money, because now you're accepting the fact that you are going to lose money. I mean, think about it this way. If you asked anybody how much money they want to lose in a market, they would say zero. But in reality, there's going to be some winning trades and some losing trades. So you have to accept the fact that you're not going to be right all the time. No matter who you're following, no matter what investment you're making, there's going to be some times that it goes against us, and you're going to have to take that loss. What you have to know is how much of a loss you can take and still be able to continue to invest normally and sleep well at night. So understanding your risk management for every trade is extremely important to overcoming your fear of losing money. And the number one piece of advice that I can give, other than doing your research and knowing the maximum that you're willing to lose, and then what the strategy, how quick those losses can come for you to keep an eye on it, is to not invest all of your eggs in one basket. Okay, it's the classic tale of just, you want to diversify, you want to put your money in as many trades as possible. Now, I say that, but you don't want to just buy one share of stock and own 1,000 stocks, right? You want to buy in allocations that allow you to still invest and grow your account, but also if you go through the 10, 20, 30, 40% loss, whatever your max threshold is for your positions, if you see a few positions do that, think 2, 3, maybe even 4, are you still going to be able to sleep well at night? Now, that's important. So keep that in mind, and if that means you're only investing 5% of your total capital into each trade, then hey, that's great. Okay, spread it out amongst 20 trades or whatever it may be, and then if a few of those go south, that's fine. Close it out at your threshold, preserve your capital, and move on to the next trade. Well, that's all for my video today. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe to our page and continue following us for more insights. And until next time, this is Chad Shoop with Automatic Profits Alert.